Look at this question. This is a little bit confusing, and actually it's a very good question. The question is, there is a array called nums. In that nums, we have to rotate an array by right side by k steps, where k is a non-negative. So k is a non-negative number. Sure, it may or may not be more than the length of the nums. So yeah, then we have here, let's look at this example here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 elements are given in the total step is k is equal to 3. The output becomes 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 3 4. Let's see how we can solve. uh, First, we initialize the function. I will explain it later. Here n is equal to length of the nums and k percent of n, because k is may not be more than length of the nums array. So here in first rotate array, what happens is the whole nums array is rotated. 7 in place of 1, 7 is placed in place of 7, 1 is placed like that. 1 7 rotate, all 2 6 rotate, 3 4 rotate like that. After that, rotate 0 to k minus 1. So we have to rotate this element. For example, this element, it will be rotated.